Hey investors, so if you're also new in the Australian market and you don't know how to activate your Australian market account and how to deposit your money, in this video I'm going to be taking you a step by step on how to activate it and how to deposit your money so that you can start buying stocks from your favorite Australian market. So the first thing you need to do is to first open your Easy Equities app. Opening Easy Equities app. So as you can see, I've also activated my Easy Equities AUD and I haven't invested anything. So for you to start also to see this account, obviously it won't appear here, so you have to click on the plus sign. After clicking the plus sign, you're going to look for it, and after looking for it, you're going to click I hereby confirm. You're going to click by hereby confirm, then you're going to activate your account. And after activating your account is going to be seen here on the Easy Equities portfolio and all the other stuff. So that's the first thing. And how to invest. So how to invest into the Australian market, there's a lot of ways for you to start investing in the Australian market. So let's look, for example. Let's go to my funds. And then you will see here there's no money. So the first way to start investing in there is to make a deposit into the Easy Equities app, into the Easy Equities Australian app. So you're gonna go there. So the first thing they say you could do it by transferring your funds from a funded Easy Equities account by using the Easy FX option. So that's the first way you could start by doing. The second way to fund your account is to fund your account from a bank account held outside of Australia. So by doing a SWIFT payments, which are international payments, can be made straight from your bank account and all that type of stuff. Another one is to fund your Australian account from a bank account held within Australia. So if you're in Australia, you could also start investing in there. So the best way for me to start investing in this thing is for me to transfer my funds. So the best way to do is to first fund your Easy Equities South African app. And then after funding it and after all the money has been reflected on your Easy Equities South African app, is for you to transfer the money from here into your Easy Equities Australian account. So I'm going to click on the transfer option, and then I'm going to select the Australian app. I'm going to click on the Australian app. It's going to take some time, and then from here I'm going to select the account which I'm transferring my money from and to. So I'm transferring my money from the South African Easy Equities and I'm transferring it to this Australian account. So as you can see, these are the funds that are there. The money that I have in my South African account, and then here I'm going to choose how much money I'm going to be investing in. As you can see, the rate here is saying that $1 Australian is equals to 11 rand of South African rand. So as you can see, so let me say I want to maybe put in 10 rands of my money. And then 10 rands of my money is going to be 0.089 Australian cents, which is, as you can see, the rate of South Africa is a bit low compared to the South African Australian dollar. So as you can see, this is the final amount. The money that I want to invest, I'm investing 10 rands, which is equals to 0.89 Australian dollars. And then after doing that, it's going to tell me the fees that I'm going to have to pay and all the other stuff. And then after doing that, I'm going to accept, agree to the terms and conditions after reading everything, and then I'm going to say transfer now. So after transferring, the money has been transferred. It's going to be pending because of the time zone and all the other stuff. So actually that's how you transfer your money from your South African rands and putting it into your Australian account. So hopefully this video has been very informative for everyone, and please be sure to also invest money into your Australian account, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more of this kind of videos, and please be sure to comment and like and share this video with other friends on people who don't know where to start with the Australian market. So guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.